There it be. Cords in the way. Okay, well, my tag name is Dub Muffin, but this could be for any, I guess, for anyone that's interested in Mac products, especially MacBook. I just purchased MacBook Pro, and it came in the mail. It was delivered yesterday. So I'm just doing a quick, out of the package kind of thing. But I'm gonna also try to show, set up, because I have to set it up. I have my old laptop, and then also being a gamer, I'm gonna try to do some streaming. So it's gonna be, I don't know if it's gonna be one full video or it'll be split up in a number of videos, but this is just an introduction. Okay. Let me see if this works. I hope my head doesn't get in the way. So let's open up this puppy. I don't know, maybe I'm opening it, maybe I'm opening it. I have to turn it the other way. I don't know. Actually, it feels kind of loose. I don't think they packaged it. Well, it's alright. Look at that, it flips out. Okay, so let's slide it out of the box. So it's not bad. Whoop, this way. Fancy, I guess, I don't know, it's pretty good. Okay, so here we are. Nice, my other one's almost the same. They have the photo of the computer, laptop, and there's the back with a nice little tag there. Okay, let me adjust this so I know what I'm looking at. There we go. All right. So they have another little tab here that you can pull. So we'll pull that so they can remove the plastic wrap. The design is I like their design. Apple does a very nice job at designing their products, even their packaging. It's nice to take, attention to detail, as we call it. The Japanese do the same thing, in their food presentation, they make it look so artsy. You don't even want to start eating because you don't want to spoil the view. Okay, so we have the product. It's covered in some plastic. We just simply put everything in the box. And let's see. In the packaging that we have designed by Apple in California, and then we have the charger, and then we have the power cord. I believe that's all we have. Yeah, doesn't look like anything else. Okay. So we'll take this, we'll take the power cord, power pack. Let's see what's all in here. I know we have one of them is going to be the stickers. They always give us stickers. And some warranty information, disclaimer, and then a really quick tutorial. Welcome to your MacBook Pro. MacBook Pro automatically starts up when you lift the lid. Setup assistant helps get you up and running. And then they have the Thunderbolt 3 headphone location, menu bar, FaceTime, HD camera, spotlight, finder, dock, system preferences, touch bar, touch ID, multi-touch trackpad, gestures, and get the Mac Pro Essentials Guide. We can get that online. Okay, and that's it. Now the easiest way for me, I mean, if you're a new user, that explains a lot. But if you're a previous owner, then you can take your older Mac. In my case, I have two Macs. I do have my older laptop, my old Mac Pro. It's a 13-inch 2012, and then and then I have a 2012 iMac that I use, that I use at home. It does most of the work. I use my laptop. I like something like maybe a backup. Obviously, something I can take with me on travels, things like that. So it just depends on what I'm doing. Everything is connected to my accounts. And I also have an iPad. If I don't take my laptop, my MacBook, I can take my iPad because obviously it's a smaller, lighter, and I usually take my iPad on long trips. So that's how it works for me. So let's go ahead. Let's see. Well, we don't need this anymore. And what I'm gonna do, we can put this back. Maybe I should be sitting down. I'm on my knees, and it's getting to be kind of uncomfortable. But let's see. First, we're gonna go ahead and plug this one in. My other MacBook is already plugged in. So we're gonna plug this one in the other one. There's another plug over to my right. It already has the extension cable. So we're going to plug that one in. Oh, the connector is different too. The end connector. There's that fancy connector. So let me reach and get that one right quick. That should be fine. Yeah, it's a nice color. I like the color. It's darker than my other one, my old one. It's a lighter gray, so you can kind of tell the difference. I like the darker gray color. It's nice. Okay, so let me plug this in. See here. Oh, you know what? Oh, here it is over here. I got it going the wrong way. I put a scratch in it already. Oh, I can wipe it off. Okay, let me see. So, I guess you can just put it in, huh? In one of the power ports. But let me see. I have a hyperdrive. It's called a Hyperdrive Duo MacBook Pro Air. 7 and 2 USB-C hub for MacBook Pro and Air. 2X USB 2 PD 100 watt plus 60 watt. So it has the HDMI. It has 2 USB-C ports. One's at 40 gigabytes and the other one's at 5 gigabytes. And then it has an SD card reader, and it has 2 USB ports, USB-A. So let's open up this one. I don't know whether it has, well, see, like this one has, like I said, it has a USB, but I'm not gonna, you know, I think I'm gonna need it for my other computer when I do the exchange. But I have an adapter I'm gonna use, and I also have a HDMI cord, so maybe I can use that. But we'll see, because all I'm gonna do is just transfer information from one device to the other one. Is that a pad? So let's open up this one. And this is, what is this? I don't know what that's for. This one, let's see, okay, here. And let's plug this one in to the side here. That'll give us some, you know, expansion. Let me see here. Put this one in here. It's almost the same color. Too bad it doesn't go in flush. Okay. What's this? Oh, I see. Yeah, I guess it's like an extension. It has a male and a female. It's the same, so I don't know. Maybe it's extension. I don't know. Okay. So let's plug it in. Okay. And let me see. So we'll just go ahead and well, this one's ready to go. My old one. I just hope the cord is long enough. Well, let me see. Yeah, it should be long enough. The HDMI is over on this side. It's on the top. It has a nice little protective cover. And it starts right up like it was sleeping. I don't know. Maybe I don't know if we need to charge the battery or not, but we'll see. I guess with the cable in that, you know, the power cable already attached, it should be okay. Oh, by using the software, you agree to the terms of the software license. Blah blah blah. Okay, and it says English.
So to use English as the main language, press the return key.
Yeah, I just did. Okay. And then it should say United States. Continue. Continue. Select Wi-Fi. Oh, that's what I need to do. Let me see if I can reach it without hitting the camera. I was thinking of all of this stuff beforehand. I was like, okay, what am I gonna need? And then you just start getting into recording and you forget. Let me get my information here. Of course, all of this is going to be, you know, sensitive information is going to be cut out of the video, but I'm sure you guys understand that. Okay, put this back. Okay. Okay, let's see. It's connecting. You won't see this whenever with every feature, since Apple collects this information only when needed to enable features, secure our services, or personalize your experience. This is data and privacy. This icon appears when an Apple feature asks to use your personal information. Okay, continue. Transfer information to this Mac. If you have important information on another Mac or Windows PC, you can transfer it to this Mac. You can also transfer data from a Time Machine backup or another startup disk. How do you want to transfer your information? From a Mac. Okay, we're going to transfer from a Mac. Excuse me. Let me see. Continue. Connect AC power. Your Mac is running on battery power. What? Oh, see, so let me go ahead and plug this one to this other connection over this side. Oh, I see. I don't have it plugged in all the way. There we go. Gee, Weezers. Okay. We can do it. We can keep it like that. Okay, let me see. To another start of this. Oh, let's see. Well, I can't use my HDMI. Well, let me see this one. Yeah, I can use my HDMI on this one. I figure if I use my HDMI, but I don't know if it's just regular. I guess you can use it HDMI just for regular contact, or data transfer. Or we might have to get another cord with the new connection. I don't know. We'll see. We'll have to see. Because the older USB, is slower. So it'll take a while before everything connects to it. Before everything transfers, I should say. Let me see. Oh, you know what? That's not gonna work. This is a female, I need a male. Let's see. This one. Maybe I can use this one. This is two males. Yeah, so maybe I can use this one. Connect this one to this one. Come on now. I can't see. There we are. Connect that one. And connect this one to the adapter. Okay. And then say continue. Connected to the same network or directly connected to this Mac. When transferring from another Mac, open the Migration Assistant app in the Utilities folder and check. Oh, I see. In the Utilities folder. See, this is why I have my new, I purchased my new one. This one's so slow. It always has to think. Okay, utilities folder. Okay, it says Migration Assistant. To another Mac. Use Migration Assistant transfer to transfer information, data, computer settings, and apps to this Mac from another Mac, a Windows PC, a time machine, or backup or a disk. You can also transfer information from this Mac to another Mac. All other apps will quit when you click continue. Okay, now I have to put. Closing applications and logging out. 1 moment. And what is it doing here? Oh, it still have to look. Everything's still looking for a source, looking for another source. Maybe the HDMI isn't enough or something. We can also do it on the network. If this doesn't work. If the direct approach doesn't work. Because I was thinking that HDMI, would be the fastest way to do it. But maybe we just need the regular UBS port to do it. I don't know. Let's see. We'll see. Let's see what happens. If we can't do it the one way, we'll try something else. And here and there, I might edit, certain parts to make the video, make it seamless, go a little bit faster. Seems like it's still taking a while. I don't know what's going on. Okay, now let's see. From a Mac to Mac, to another Mac. Open Mac to on the other Mac. When asked, select a transfer information from another Mac. Wireless network discoverable as, as me. Oh yeah, there we go. Discoverable as Timothy MacBook Pro. And then it says, so what do we do? Click on it? I'm trying to get it to continue. Your system needs to be updated. The selected backup was created with, it is recommended that you update this machine before performing the migration. Update. Oh, okay, so we need to update the new one. They should have told us, asked us that first. Downloading update. so Downloading update. Yeah, it would have been nice if they had said that at the beginning. Now we have to wait for the update. Oh, I guess you can't see that. Let me see. Here's my old one. See, it's working down here on the floor. It says it's getting ready to. It says down discoverable as it says my name. So hopefully we'll see how long the download takes. See this is the newer one, shouldn't take that long. But then now it just depends on how fast my network is, my network connection. So we'll see. See, they should have asked us this first. So maybe what I'll do is we'll just turn everything off. Oh, there it just did move. And then turn everything back on after the update is complete. I'm doing this because I know you guys can't see this from the cameras. So it's just transferring the information from one laptop to another. So after this is done, well, we'll see what we'll see what happens. I've done this before, but obviously every time there's new software, as technology improves, there's always something that might be slightly different. So we'll see. Okay, looks like she's all done. So let's see what happens. Let me know what I need to do next, what I need to do or whatever. Let's see. Looking for application of documents to transfer. Cancel certain information. Information is being transferred to your new Mac. Okay. About 393.67 gigabytes selected. About 1.58 gigabytes available after transferring. So I guess it's completed. Select the information to what? Choose what information you'd like to transfer to this Mac. Create a source password for each administrator account you wish to migrate. Migrate. Okay. Well, let me cover this part up. I'll just cover it up with me, so nobody will see, or I'll edit this part out. Okay, now it says terms and conditions. Important use of your Mac computer. The Mac OS software and related services is subject to these terms and conditions. Please read them carefully. All right. Agree. So I wonder if it really did the transfer already. No. Now it's being transferred. So it's prepared itself. Now it's about a minute remaining. Transferring your information. It seems like I've been transferring all day. But we'll see how long this takes. It says about a minute remaining. That's what it says. Peer-to-peer. Current connection, peer-to-peer. I don't know if it's connecting through Wi-Fi or is it connecting through the cable. It's showing a Wi-Fi connection. I don't think my Wi-Fi is on my other laptop, so it must be through cable. Okay, so we'll come back until we'll come back after the transfer is complete. Well, as you can see, I moved my camera. I repositioned my camera, my video camera, so it can look over my shoulder, so you guys can see the screen. So right now, we've completed the migration, and it says it's been completed and is ready to use. So in this, obviously, it says the same thing on my original laptop. So we'll see. We should be ready to go. Okay, kind of tight quarters here. Hope you guys can still see the screen. Well, you can on top. You can barely see it. So, but that's okay. So let's see. It says here, quit. Okay, there I be. Yeah, it looks alright. Oh, nice clear screen. Let me see. So we have to quit on this one too, I guess. Yes or no? Oh, there we go. Okay. And I guess the home screen will appear. Or maybe not. Yeah, there you go. Okay. So we're ready. So let me unplug this right quick because it didn't even go through the cable. It went through the Wi-Fi. So that was cool. So the next thing we're gonna do. So that's why they asked for Wi-Fi. But I needed it anyway because I needed to update the software. So we'll start her up. Okay, now I gotta do all of this sign-in stuff. Okay, he said set up later. We'll do iCloud later. Well, actually, I don't even use my iCloud. We can skip it for now, I think. Okay. This is file vault disk encryption. File vault secures your data by encrypting the contents of your disk and locking your screen with a password. Mac allow my iCloud to unlock my disk. That account can be used to unlock your disk and reset your password if you forget it. If you do not want to allow your iCloud account to reset your password, you can create a recovery key and store it in a safe place to unlock your disk. So we needed to do that anyway. Let me see. So go back. This part is the hard part because of time. I'm trying to get myself comfortable here. See, I hope you guys can still see a little bit. Let me see something. Let me see something right quick. Let me do something right quick. Here we go. Okay, so let's continue. Let me see. So that's good. I think that's good. Okay, so let's see. Let's go continue here. The next one. Touch ID. Use your fingertip to unlock your Mac and make purchases with Apple Pay. Start by placing your finger or thumb on the Touch ID. Lift and reset your finger on Touch ID repeatedly. Oh. Keep going to capture the edges of your fingertip. Touch ID is ready. Your fingerprint can be used to unlock your Mac. Okay. True tone display. Your Mac automatically adapts to ambient lighting or conditions to make colors appear constant in different environments. You can change this later in the displays in system preferences. See without the true tone display. Continue. Setting up your Mac. Setting up. System extension block. A program tried to load new system extensions. Oh yeah, that's my security. I think they have to update that. Okay. So the next thing, everything looks good. It's on my same display. And it always opens everything in the big extension display. Okay, yeah, that looks like mine. Okay, so the next thing, did I start this? Let me see something. Yeah. Okay, the next thing I want to do is to try streaming. I'm just looking at the screen to see if everything is okay. I don't need to, let me see, I don't need Wi-Fi anymore. Let me see. Let me turn this one off. And then let me see if this one, yeah, I still need this one on. Let me see what I want to do. Color looks good, everything looks good. If you look at my other screen on my other computer, are you sure? Yeah. It doesn't seem as vibrant. This one sees vibrant, more detail. Yeah, looks like it looks better. Okay, so I'm set up. This is the thing. I'm gonna I'm going to rearrange things, change things around. The only thing I needed to do, the last things that I did to finish or complete setup is to authenticate my new laptop with my Apple ID. So I put in my Apple ID. They sent me a verification code to another device. I put in the verification code, and then I was ready to go. The thing of it is, what I did was I used the verification code on my iPhone, and I don't think it took. So I turned back on my other laptop that I used to integrate, and there was a verification code from on that device. So I used that device in that, and then it worked. So that was the only difference. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn everything off, rearrange everything, because what I want to do is I want to, like I said, stream. So I'm going to need to open up my, my streaming software, my Elgato software, and set everything up like if I was, gaming. And so I have to rearrange the furniture, the cameras, and everything else. So I'm going to do that, turn everything off and do that. So either this is the end of this video, or I'm just going to add it to my other videos. I'm thinking about doing three parts of this. The first is setup. Second is streaming, setting up for streaming or gaming, just my general gaming setup. And then try out streaming, set my Elgato to stream, since this is why I bought this new laptop. So maybe I'm showing some graphics of the specs, or maybe I'll show the specs later. But then that'll be the second part, and then the last part will be editing. I'm gonna edit this film that I'm filming now on the new laptop, and then show you guys more or less a tutorial on how you can use iMovie to edit your videos. So that's what we're gonna do.